How to order from Shein. So let's start. First, open the app and then choose the item you would like to buy. So I want to buy this top. I like this one, so click on it. And then what you need to do, you need to choose color. So we're going white, or I like this one. This, I don't know what color is this, but I like this one. And you need to also choose your size before you add the bag. So don't forget to choose your size. Okay, let's go. And now you can add the bag. So click on it. Perfect. And when you go here, this is your shopping bag. Click on it. You can see what items you have in your shopping bag. If you want to delete some item from your shopping bag, just click on this minus and confirm delete. And that's it. If you want to change your order, just click on it. And you can change your size, for example. And just click update. All right. And now if you want to buy it, you just click on checkout. And what you need to do next is fill your location and your information, like personal information. And that's it. This is how can you order or add to shopping bag some items on Shein in 2023. Guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and see you one click later. Goodbye.